my fingers and ears why. This is a super loud noise pack. Basically what we've done is get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of the best, loudest fireworks you're ever going to experience. They are phenomenal. Now, not only is this pack discounted, but guess what we're also going to do? Because you're buying this pack, free delivery as well. So remember, there's no delivery charge, and we'll chuck you in a couple of packets of the extremely loud air bomb on a stick thunder rockets, completely free of charge as well. This is a fantastic loud noise pack.